Hi there, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Siri on your iPad mini 6. Let's get started. So firstly we need to open settings and here just find a tab which is named Siri and search. Select it and now we need to turn on Siri. So just go in the listen for and here we have two options. We can choose Siri or Hey Siri or just switch to the Hey Siri. I'm gonna select the first one and now we need to enable it. So let's do it. And now we can set up Siri and Hey Siri. So this will help your device to recognize your voice when you will be triggering Siri. Let's do it now. So I'm just gonna tap continue button. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And we are all set. Just tap this done button and let's go back to the Siri settings. Here we can also enable press stop button for the Siri. And now let's check how it works. Hey Siri. And the Siri is enabled. So now we can also use this home button to trigger Siri. Let's test it. Hey Siri, what's the weather today?
I can't tell your location because of your settings. Where would you like to hear the weather for?
So here is how it works. Also you can select language for the Siri. We have many options here. And also you can choose Siri's voice. We have several options, for example, Australian.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose Hi, I'm Siri. Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Also here we have different voice types as well.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And now, if you want to disable Siri, you would need to disable this switcher first, and after this go in this listen for, and here switch to off and then confirm by tapping turn off Siri. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.